My name is Jennifer, and we are building the Ashton plan. My experience has been that everyone has been friendly and welcoming and ready to answer all my questions, and the homes are just beautiful. It's the hardest part about it is picking which beautiful home you want. I enjoyed about Design Studio the way that you got to choose and pick your appliances, and all of your choices are grouped together to where you can choose things with your style that suits you the best. In my opinion, what sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders is the quality and the craftsmanship and the thought put behind everything in the home and where it's placed. I would say that if you want a wonderful, smooth experience so far that I've experienced, go with Shaw because they're beautiful. And it seems to be, it has been a wonderful, smooth experience for me. And there are a lot of options, yet it's not overwhelming.